Posting is the process of linking a commission from a carrier's statement to a policy. There are three ways to post a commission to a policy. Import a carrier statement, Excel file only. Enter a commission manually to a policy, or import commission data using a generic import template. When a commission is imported or entered manually, Agency Comp will automatically attempt to post or link it to a policy. The posting process uses certain data from the carrier statement to match the commission to a policy. The fields below are used to match a commission to a policy. Policy number. This is the primary field used for matching. Product name. The product name is used to match a commission to a rider. It is important to enter the product name exactly as it appears on the carrier statement. Effective date. This field is used specifically to match policy increases. Premium. The amount for the base plan and any riders to the policy. Revenue type. Other comp is revenue in addition to the base and renewal commission. The revenue type name should be entered exactly as it appears in the carrier statement. When adding a new policy, it is important to complete as many fields as possible. Importing commissions during the first couple of months may require some extra work matching them to policies in the application. However, once a commission has been linked to a policy, it will automatically link during future imports. Commissions can be posted immediately following a commission statement import or after adding a commission manually. After importing a commission statement or adding a manual commission, click Post Commissions to open the statement to the posting page. Commissions can be filtered by all, matched, pending, or ignored. The window at the top displays the number of policies and commission amount for each status. Matched commissions are those that are linked to policies in the application. Any commission linked to a policy will be displayed in the Paid Commissions tab for the policy. Click back to Posting to return to the posting page. Pending commissions are those that could not be matched during the import process. This occurs most often when an existing policy is missing a policy number, or the policy does not exist in the application. Occasionally, a commission might need to be unmatched from a policy. To unmatch a commission, click the Match button and click Unmatch. Any changes or updates to the policy during the matching process will be reversed. Any commission from the statement will be deleted from the policy. Click Continue. An unmatched commission will change to pending. Ignored commissions are those that you do not want matched to a policy. Only pending commissions can be ignored. To post commissions after the statement has been imported, go to the Commission Statements page. Any commission that has been imported using a carrier statement, generic import template, or manually added will appear on this page. Click on Statement Date for the commission statement to open it on the posting page.